Hi students. Now today the video is on Introduction to Linear Polynomials. This is chapter number 2. It's from the book Ganita Manjari, grade 9 CBSE. Let's understand step by step. Let's see question number 1. Find the degrees of the following polynomials. Equation given 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Now step 1 is write the powers of the variable. Now here if you write the powers, for 2x squared power is 2. For minus 5x it's 1. 3 is a constant term. So the highest power is always the degree. So for this equation highest power is 2. So what is our answer? Our degree is 2. Let's see question number 2. Y to the power 5 plus 2y minus 1. So what is the first step? Check the powers of y. So for y to the power 5, power is 5. For 2y, power is 1. And for minus 1, it is constant. And what is the highest power here? 5. So what will be the degree? 5. And that's your final answer. Minus 9. So minus 9 is a constant polynomial. So a non-zero constant has degree 0. So what will be the answer? Degree will be 0. Please keep this in mind. 4z minus 3. Let us check the powers of z. So for power for z, that is 4z, power is 1. For minus 3, it is constant. So what is the highest power here? 1. And the degree is 1. Write the polynomials of degrees 1, 2 and 3. Degree 1 polynomial. So if we see x plus 2, children, you can write any other example which has degree 1. So highest power is 1. For degree 2, you can write this equation x squared plus 3x plus 1. Highest power is 2. You can use any type of equation which has degree 2. Degree 3, here we have a cubic polynomial. So highest power is 3. What are the coefficients of x squared and x cubed in the polynomial? Now when we talk about coefficient, first you need to identify the terms. Now the terms with x cubed is what? Minus 3x, 3. So term with x squared is what? 6x squared, because that has been asked to us. So in this particular equation, you need to write the coefficient. So if you see here, coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x squared is what? 6. And then likewise, coefficient of x cubed is minus 3. Question number 4. What is the coefficient of z in the polynomial? 4z cubed plus 5z squared minus 11. Children, you need to write the polynomial clearly first. Look for the term containing z. So now here 4z cubed power is 3. For 5z squared power is 2. And minus 11, it's the constant term. So there is no term with z. So what is the coefficient of z here? So if the term is missing, that means its coefficient is 0. I hope this is clear to you, children. These are basic questions, and I'm sure step by step will help you to understand your basic foundation. So your answer, coefficient of z is 0. Let's see question number 5. What is the constant term of the polynomial? Now what you have to do, write the polynomial. The constant term means it's the term without any variable. This is very, very important. Mostly students, they make mistake when we talk about the constant term. So the constant term is the term without any variable. So in this polynomial, 9x cubed is the variable term. 5x squared is the variable term, minus 8x is the variable term, but in minus 10, there is no variable. So thanks for watching. This short video was related to some of the basic concept of exercise 2.1. Further, more step-by-step explanations, easy methods. So there will be more videos uploaded. Next video is coming from exercise 2.2. So thank you so much. Take care. God bless.